For the last 46 years, Tempsens is making every Indian proud by making in India and selling across the globe.
Yes.
We are having with us Mr. Hemant Rathi, who is the General Manager Marketing of Tempsens. You are participating in Automation Expo. You are having many innovations in cables and wires,
Thermal solutions.
thermal solutions. Can you just talk about your 46 years of journey of Tempsens?
Actually, Tempsens is part of the Pyrotech Group, and started in 1976 with 4 technocrats. Now our first product is the thermocouples RTDs. Now Pyrotech Group is having 4 or 5 verticals like panels, consoles, control rooms. And Tempsens, we are in the focus area is thermal and cable solutions. So in thermal and cable solutions, we have the sensing, we have heating, and then we have non-contact and thermal imaging. And cables, we have the full range of cable in control and instrumentation.
So you have 4 divisions.
Yes.
More, and what will be the size of the company today? You know, by the total group.
At this year, we are going to do is 800 crore with Pyrotech Group, and Tempsens is around 400 crore rupees.
That is a marvelous achievement, and as an Indian company doing and selling across the globe. And I think you are having even Tempsens also. You are also having factories outside India, in Germany, in Indonesia.
Yeah, we have our own manufacturing in Germany and Indonesia, and we have a very special products to sell to all over the globe, like pyrometers, thermocouples, cables, and heaters.
Now, you also have recently entered into many new areas. You had some joint ventures with some companies outside. Can you just share your latest
We
updates?
have the joint venture company like AST. This is we are making the pyrometers and thermal imagers. Recently, we started a startup, AccuOpt. In that, we are making the thermal imaging. This is totally Indian-based technology.
See, we have seen pandemic have taken certain toll in the industry, but after that, most of the companies are coming in flying colors. We are seeing a growth in the Indian market after this pandemic. So how Tempsens see this growth?
Even in the COVID time, Tempsens is growing is 40% every year. So we are also having a good order in this years, and in forecast we have a lot of projects in India and across the globe. Growth in the industries is very high.
So we are having a champion Make in India company, not just one. They have Pyrotech Group have different verticals, 4 product verticals, and all these companies are doing very well. Thank you very much for sharing your valuable time, and we wish Pyrotech and Tempsens all the very best in the future.
Thank you.